Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 13th of July, Tuesday 2021, and I just finished my trading day, and I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and help them to bank amazing profit today and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system, and if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD pairs. EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD in 4 hour, we had an amazing pattern this morning. If you look at here, price developed a head and shoulder pattern, and then after this candle, we can see here rejection. We were short and we were banking all these pullback short trades on EURUSD. We had amazing trades. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis, how I analyze this 4 hour price action into intraday system. And if you show you here, and let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, this morning when the price developed this pattern, keep respecting, you can see the way I look at this, you can see a high low is being developed. Look at in 4 hour, you can see here this pattern is developed, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break the previous low, then we should be taking a short trade here, as based on the high time frame price action. We had this breakout. After that, we have another pullback short trade, another pullback short trade. Once the price break the major structure based on the high time frame in 4 hour sentiment bias, we basically keep taking a pullbacks towards the momentum, towards the trend. As you can see, momentum was bearish. We have the major structures broken. You can see head and shoulder pattern. So we materialize all the pullback short trade. It's very easy in an intraday system. Every time when the price develop pullback or respect this orange EMA, we take that, find that high probability trade and bank beautiful short trade on EURUSD. So the New York session was a bit quiet though. As you can see here at the New York session, explained to trader, look for pullback at this level, which price nicely broken because I closed this session early, but some of the traders are still holding this short trade here. Let's see how it's gonna go. You can see, and even in 4 hour, you can see the price came back, previous low is broken, and pullback short trade is performing in rejection in 4 hour, but in intraday we have this pullback. So as I said to you, even if you look at right now, you can see here, this is the pullback, what I'm talking here, and most of the traders are still enjoying this pullback short trade. So let's see how it is going to go. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had another amazing trade, guys. As you can see here, such a beautiful rejection at the major resistance level. As you can see here, price respected many times. You can see here many times here at this level, and we have after this, you can see a spinning top. When the price broke on this one, we keep taking a short trade ahead. Once the price developed bearish engulfing candle, then we really enjoyed it, pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit the major big psychological number 138,000, which is supported by support level, and bank beautiful pitch. Now I'm going to show you the analysis we did based on the 4 hour and in intraday system. If I show you here, we were long. This long was yesterday, bank beautiful pips and long trade here. And this morning, once the price developed double top here, you can see here at this level, and when we look at in 4 hour, your price develop another, you can see triple top. You can see here previously price respected. So as I said to my trader, that if the price gonna possibility of pullback long, if don't, then if the price break and retest, then we should be taking a short trade here. You can see here we haven't seen any green candle here. Price broke on the previous low. After the breakout, price retest, and that's what we explained to traders. Take a short trade here. First target nicely hit, which is 200 EMA. Afterwards, all pullbacks. So you can see here such a beautiful short trade here. Based on the momentum, we're really enjoying it. Pullbacks, bank beautiful pips on pound dollar and the London morning session. Okay, so the New York session, as always, we are looking at pullback towards the momentum at this level. As you can see here, price did not develop any pullback. We haven't seen any red candle. As what we explained through live audio commentary and through live analysis, if the price break and retest, You can see here price broken and develop and retest here, and that's why we have another counter long trade and bank beautiful pips here. All right, so you can see in pound dollar right now, you can see in pound dollar inside candle pattern is developed. We'll let you know tomorrow about this trade, as you can see here. Let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade as well, beautiful long trade, and I'll explain to you why. If you look at the 4 hour, price respected the support level previously, and if you look at this candle, bullish engulfing candle, that's give us the sign we had this breakout and pull back long trade. Beautiful. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD based on the 4 hour, as you can see here, price at this level. Let me make it slightly bigger. So okay, so if you look at the price, basically broken this previous low and could not maintain below that, and that's what we consider as a false breakout. When we look at in the 4 hour, price developed bullish engulfing candle, and well, that's what we explained to another pattern is developed. In intraday, if the price is going to break above the previous side, then we should be taking it. So we can take long trade here. As always, momentum develop bullish. After the breakout, pull back, another pullback, beautiful, two more pullback on dollar CAD. We had amazing trades on dollar CAD, and at the New York session we had only very small long trade, bank few pippies, and we'll let you know tomorrow how the market is going to react. We had amazing trades, amazing volatility, most of the trades. The best trade we had at pound yen and the dollar yen, euro yen. Euro yen, if you look at here, we had a beautiful price, nicely respected this major resistance level, spinning top, bullish engulfing candle, bang it short trade here. So we had a beautiful short trade here. Still at the New York session, we have this short trade here. Let me quickly show you the intraday analysis. If you look at this this morning, we had a beautiful short trade. If you look at the pattern, that's what we explained to trader. Head and shoulder pattern is developed. If you look at here in spinning top is developed, that's the good sign for rejection. The safest way for look if the price gonna break the previous low, which price broke on. Even after the breakout, price retest, that's the good sign. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, all pullbacks. So we really enjoy all the short trades. At the New York session, you can see here at another one looking a pullback here. Price nicely respected according to the analysis. Beautiful pullback short trade here, and some of the traders are still holding this short trade here. Let's see guys, as you can see here, beautiful pullback short trade here. So we really enjoy all these analysis, bank beautiful pips. All right guys, and as I said to you guys, if you would like to enjoy all that live analysis in real time, and if you are interested to bank pips in real time, on developing your trading skill in real time, this is the platform where I can teach traders and through live intraday analysis about the price action. And once they develop their trading skill, I can also help them to get funded from firms. Our objective is to help them to make money, and if they make money, we make money. Simple as that. And if you're interested how I help my traders real time, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are a professional trader or experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.